how much should you actually spend on a Pilates reformer? Because you see budget options that look similar to the high-end ones. But is the quality really there? It's a bit interesting, so let's break it down.
Product number 1, Janua Pilates board in purple, priced at just $88.90. What caught my eye? It's this multi-purpose foldable design that promises to take your workouts to the next level. If you want a compact and versatile tool for your home workout, this is worth a serious look. So let's talk features. This board combines Pilates and full body training in one piece of equipment, which is perfect if you're short on space. The adjustable resistance system means it caters to all fitness levels, so whether you're a newbie or a seasoned bro, you can customize your experience. Plus, the included resistance band and smart timer help you stay on track, ensuring you maximize your workout time. With over 1,000 sold recently, it seems to be making waves. Now, some reviewers mentioned that the board feels lightweight and might not withstand intense workouts over time. Here's the thing though, it's meant to be portable, making it easy to store or move around. If you're using it for lighter workouts or Pilates basics, it's definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable option for light to moderate workouts. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty equipment for intense training. Honestly, for the price, you're getting a solid value. Now, if the weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a sturdier design.
Product number 2, Janua Pilates board, black. Another Janua Pilates board, with this time in sleek black, priced at $89.90. It offers the same multifunctionality as its purple counterpart. If you're after something stylish that still ticks the boxes for versatility, this one is definitely worth considering. Just like the purple board, this one excels in providing a combination of Pilates and full-body workouts. The adjustable resistance can accommodate various fitness levels, making it user-friendly for everyone. Plus, the smart timer and phone holder are super convenient features to keep you focused during your sessions. The fact that it's also lightweight makes it easy to store away when not in use is a huge plus. However, some users felt that the resistance bands could be a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning on using maximum resistance and mainly focus on Pilates movements, you'll likely find it perfectly adequate. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, straightforward Pilates tool for your home workouts. Skip this if you're after something built for heavy-duty training. For the price, you're getting a good mix of function and style. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more variety in their workouts.
Product number 3, Janua Pilates board in pink, also priced at $89.90. This one grabbed my attention for its vibrant color and potential for versatility. If you want a fun and functional piece of equipment, this one's worth a serious look. The pink version maintains all the features of the previous boards, but adds a bit of flair. With its adjustable resistance and included resistance bands, you can target everything from your core to your legs. The smart timer and phone holder enhance your workout experience, allowing for a more efficient use of your time. It's also built to support a tension level of up to 400 pounds, making it sturdy enough for a variety of workouts. Some users did mention that it might not feel as solid as traditional reformers, but here's the thing. If you're using it for Pilates and lighter exercises, the benefits far outweigh this concern. This is perfect for you if you love a pop of color in your workout space and want a reliable Pilates tool. Skip this one if you're looking for something that mimics a full gym machine. Honestly, for the flexibility and fun factor, it's a decent value. If you're looking for even more functionality, the next product might just impress you.
Product number 4, Croyvine Pilates board. We have the Croyvine Pilates board, priced at $76.90. What caught my attention? The promise of a multi-purpose workout experience that targets various muscle groups. If you want a versatile option without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. This board stands out by combining Pilates with tools like resistance bands and an ab wheel, allowing for a full body workout in one kit. You can unlock at least 15 different exercises, which is fantastic if you want variety in your routine. Plus, it includes a smart timer and a phone holder, making it easy to stay focused on your fitness goals. With 500 sold in the past month, it's clearly catching on. However, some reviews pointed out that it's slightly bulkier than other boards. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a product that provides a full range of exercises and don't mind a bit of extra weight, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for your workouts. Skip this if space is a major concern for you.
For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, the final product might just fit the bill.
Product number 5, Okonki Pilates Board. We have the Okonki Pilates Board, priced at $89.99. This one intrigued me due to its multifunctional capabilities. If you want a comprehensive workout tool, this is definitely worth a closer look. The Okonki board combines the functions of a Pilates board, resistance bands, and push-up handles, giving you a complete workout in one package. It's designed for effective core training and flexibility, helping you achieve your fitness goals efficiently. The portability factor is huge as well, meaning you can easily take it anywhere, home, office, or even traveling. But some users have pointed out that it needs to be fully unfolded for use, which might be a hassle for some. Here's the thing. When used correctly, it offers a secure and stable workout experience, making it worthwhile for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and portable Pilates tool that covers multiple exercises. Skip this if you're looking for something that's ready to go right out of the box without setup. For the investment, it's a solid choice with great utility.
So to wrap it up, we explored the Janua Pilates boards in purple, black, and pink, each offering unique styles and features for home workouts. Then we checked out the Croyvine board for versatility and the Okonki board for its multifunctional capabilities. All 5 options bring something different to the table, so think about what fits your needs best before deciding.